Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear writers students, I am here to say welcome to the Write Online lecture series. Dear students, hope you are fine and safe and spending good time with your family. I am your English teacher and this is your Oxford Broadway book for grade 1. Okay students, you have to learn in first term from unit number 1 free in the forest to unit number 5 the world outside. This is your first term syllabus, unit 1 to unit 5. Before starting our lecture, I request all writers parents, please during lecture give proper attention to your child. Help them, give them to complete their lesson. Okay, before starting our lecture, we will read dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. I will teach you the hard words, dodging words, as you can see. Vocabulary words. These hard words will increase your vocabulary. The first unit, F-R-E-E, free, I-N-N, free in, T-H-E, the, free in the, F-O-R-E-S-T, rest, free in the forest. Free mean azad, in में, the forest, जंगल में. Free in the forest, जंगल में आज़ाद. Who lives in forest? Animals. Animals lives in the forest, and we will read about the animals. Actually, this story is about animals. Okay, first we will learn about the dodging words, the words, vocabulary words. The first word one is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, rest. Forest. Forest means jungle. Next word is cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Cage means pincher. Have you seen cage? Do you know about the cage? Cage is a home of animals, pet animals like pigeon, like parrot. The next word is elephant. E-L-E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant means hathi. Next word is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E-H, village. Village means gaon. And the next word is sad. S-A-D, sad. Sad means udas. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Happy means खुश होना. And the next word is big. B-I-G, big. Big means बड़ा. The next word is gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Gate means दरवाज़ा. Okay students, these are your dodging words. Now come to the unit for reading. Now we will read about the story. Okay, look here. These are animals. Lions. These are happy. Why these are happy? These are happy because they live in the forest. ये जंगल में रहते हैं. They are free. And why he is sad? He is sad because he is not free. He not lives in forest. He lives with his owner. Okay, let's start our lesson. J-U-B-I, Jubi. T-H-E, the, Jubi, the, E-L-E-L-E, P-H-A-N-T, fan. Jubi, the baby elephant. Jubi एक छोटा हाथी का बच्चा. L-I-V-E-S, lives, रहता है. I-N-N में. T-H-E, the, in the. F-O-R-E-S-T, rest, in the forest. Jubi, the baby elephant, lives in the forest. जुबी एक हाथी का छोटा बच्चा जंगल में रहता है. One day, O-N-E-1, D-A-Y-D, one day, एक दिन. H-E, he, F-A-S-S, falls, he falls, वो गिर जाता है. INNTO2 into a pit, PIT pit। एक दिन क्या होता है, वो कीचड़ में गिर जाता है। Look here, he falls into a pit। Now what will happen next? Now we will read about the story and will know what will happen। SOME some, MEN man, some man, FIND find, some men find, JUBI जुबी। कुछ लोग जूबी को तलाश कर लेते हैं, उन्हें जूबी मिल जाता है। THUI they, PUT put, they put HIM him, they put him। वो उसे INN आ खींच, वो उसे। अब देखिए सम मैन जिनको जूबी मिलता है, ये क्या करते हैं कि ये जूबी को पिंजरे में डाल देते हैं, केज में डाल देते हैं। लुक हियर, नाउ जूबी इज इन द केज। ओके, लुक हियर, हु आर दे? हैव यू सीन? दे आर बॉय एंड गर्ल। व्हाट्स देयर नेम? द बॉय नेम इज भोला, BOHLA, भोला, एंड द गर्ल इज बानो, BA and Ono, भोला and बानो। Okay, what they will do with जूबी? कि जूबी के साथ क्या करेंगे? Let's read the story। Okay, BHO भो, LA भोला, AND भोला and BA and Ono, भोला and बानो, LIV live, भोला और बानो रहते, INN THE रहते हैं, VILLAGEH विलेज। भोला और बानो गांव में रहते हैं। दे THEY दे, SEEC दे, सी JUBI जूबी, दे सी जूबी, INN THE दा, इन द केज। वो जूबी को कहाँ देखते हैं? केज में, पिंजरे में। जूबी JUBI जूबी, LOOKS लुक्स, जूबी लुक्स, VERY वेरी, SAD सैड, जूबी लुक्स वेरी सैड। जूबी बहुत उदास नजर आता है। BHO भो, LLA भोला, AND भोला एंड BA एंड ओनो, भोला एंड बानो। GO गो जाते हैं, TO2 की, THE दा, CAGE केज। भोला और बानो पिंजरे की तरफ जाते हैं, केज की तरफ जाते हैं। What they will do there? THEY दे, वो, OPN ओपन खोलते हैं, THE दा, BIG बिग बड़ा, GATES गेट्स। दे ओपन द बिग गेट्स, वो केज के जो बड़े दरवाजे होते हैं इनको ओपन कर देते हैं, खोल देते हैं। जूबी WALKS walks, Jubi walks। Now here the word L is silent so that I cross the L। Jubi walks, OUT out, Jubi walks out, OF off, THE the walk out of the cage। जूबी चाय के पिंजरे से बाहर आ जाता है। HE he, IS is, he is, FREE free, he is free, वो आज़ाद है। HE he, GOES goes, he goes हो जाता है। BAC के बैग वापस, TO2 THE the, FO4 RE rest, he goes back to the forest, वो जंगल की तरफ वापस चला जाता है। HE he, IS is, he is, VERY very, HAPPY happy, वो बहुत खुश होता है। BANO बानो, AND बानो एंड PHO भो, LLA बानो एंड भोला, ARER बानो एंड भोला आर, VERY वेरी बहुत, HAPPY हैप्पी, TOO भोला बानो एंड भोला आर वेरी हैप्पी टू, बानो एंड भोला भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं क्योंकि जू भी खुश होता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू लर्न दीज dodging words and you have to read this passage at your home. Okay, take care. We will meet you next class inshallah. Stay home, safe life. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to our second online lecture class of English for grade 1. Hope you all are fine and enjoying time with your family. Dear students, yesterday we read about the first unit, Free in the Forest of grade 1. Today lecture number 2, grade 1, subject English, lecture 2, duration. Your time duration 2 days. You have to complete today's task within 2 days. Unit 1, Free in the Forest. Okay students, let's start our lesson. Before start our lesson, we recite dua. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Allah, increase my knowledge. Okay, we are going to read about Free in the Forest, Unit 1. In previous lecture, we know about the difficult words, dictation words, or you can say vocabulary words. Hope you have learned and you have done the reading and dictation words, vocabulary words. Okay students, what you have to do today our class we will learn about the exercise. Okay, now Juby, have you seen the Juby? Here Juby is free, but now Juby here is in the cage. Okay, now start. Underline the right word to complete a sentence about a story. Underline the right word के नीचे लाइन लगाएं to complete a sentence. सेंटेंस को मुकम्मल करने के लिए अबाउट अ स्टोरी, जो स्टोरी के बारे में है, जो आपने रीडिंग की है. द फर्स्ट वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. अब नंबर 1 वाला आपके लिए कर दिया गया है, सॉल्व हल कर दिया गया है. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ जूबी लिव्स इन द फॉरेस्ट और विलेज. जूबी कहाँ रहता है, फॉरेस्ट में या विलेज में? You have to underline the first word forest. Juby lives in the forest. Here we underline the word forest. Number 2, he falls into a river or a pit. Where was Juby falls? Think about this students. Yes, Juby falls into a pit. Okay, you have to underline pit. And the third one is Bhola and Banu are children और एलिफेंट. भोला और बानो बच्चे थे या एलिफेंट्स थे? विच वन इज करेक्ट? यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द करेक्ट वर्ड. जूबी इज सैड बिकॉज ही इज इन द फॉरेस्ट और केज. जूबी क्यों सैड था? व्हाई वाज जूबी सैड? यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन फॉरेस्ट और केज. विच वन इज करेक्ट? आई थिंक जूबी इज सैड बिकॉज ही इज इन द केज. Next, the man are Bhola and Banu open the gates of the cage. Who opened the gates of cage? Man or Bhola and Banu? डोर किसने ओपन किया था केज का? The last one is Banu and Bhola are happy or sad to see Juby cook. Bhola और बानो खुश हो गए थे या सैड हो गए थे? Okay students, you have to underline the correct words. Understand? I hope you understand. Now the next talk about this. Why is Juby sad? Think about why is Juby sad. Juby is sad because he is in the cage. He wants freedom. He wants to live in forest. But when he is in cage, he is sad. Okay, the next. Where does he like to live? Yes, Juby कहाँ रहना चाहता था? केज में? No, he was sad in cage. He liked to live in the forest. Okay, dear students, now look here. We already have given these answer question in your summer vacation task. Who is Juby? Yes, who is Juby? Look here, Juby. Juby is a baby elephant. Where does he live? He lives in the forest. Why is Juby sad? Juby is sad because he is in the cage. Juby sad था क्योंकि वो तो केज में बंद हो गया था. He wants, ये देखें, he wants to live in the forest. Okay, students, you have to learn these answer question. Turn the next page. Okay, look here. Wow, animals. Here you have seen many animals. Okay, look here. Tiger, hen, cow, and much more animals. Okay, look here. Draw a line from each animal to its baby. अपने क्या करना है? You have to draw a line animals with their baby. Now read their names. Tiger, cow, hen, cow, dog, cat, duck, goat, cub, puppy, kitten, duckling, chick, kid, calf. Okay, what you have to do? You have to draw a line. Tiger, where tiger's baby? Yes, cub. Cub is the baby of tiger. You have to line. Okay, next hen. Where is the hen's baby? Duckling? No, it's not. Yes, chick. Chick is the baby of hen. Okay, students, you have to draw a line like this. You have to do exercise. You have to complete this exercise like this. Understand? Next, look at the picture. Yes, look at the picture. What's in the picture? Elephant, bhola, bano, house, cage, tree. Okay, look at the picture. Write words in all the boxes. You have to write words in all the boxes. Okay, look here. First has been done for you. Jubi. Where is Jubi? Yes, Jubi. The next line is going. Yes, and touch the arrow to tree. Now you have to write here a tree. And the next arrow is going to touch a house. Yes, this is a house. You have to write here house. And the fourth one line is going to touch cage. This is cage. You have to write here cage. And the next line is going to touch man. You have to write here man. And the last line woman. I hope you are getting my points. Okay, dear students. Now next page, which of the words below are the names of animals, people or things? Underline only the name of words. You have to underline the name of words. Naming words. Okay. Cage, elephant, house, tree, bhola, gate. You have to underline these words. And the next, underline only the naming words or nouns in this list of words. You have to underline only naming words or nouns in this list. One has been done for you. Okay, which one has been done? Elephant. Elephant is the name of an animal. So it's a noun it has been done for you. Okay, the next word is river. River is also a noun. And the next is banana, stone, trunk. Okay, students, dear students, what you have to do next? Complete each of the sentences given below using one of the words that you have underlined. Okay, what you have to do here? You have to fill in the blanks from these words that you have underlined. Okay, the first one is the dash goes to the river for a bath. Who goes? Look here. Who goes? Elephant. Elephant goes to the river for a bath. And the next one is the dash is a long yellow or green fruit. Which one fruit is a long yellow? Yes, banana. Banana is a long yellow fruit. Okay. The next, don't throw that dash. It will hurt someone. Don't throw that stone. You have to write here stone. And the last one is the elephant picks up the banana with its trunk. The elephant picks up the elephant that we have to pick up, we have to eat, we have to use our hands. But elephant use its trunk to pick up the banana. Okay, dear students, today we have learned about exercise free in the forest exercise. Underline the right words, answer questions, and the next animals and their babies. You have to match, you have to write the correct word related to this picture. You have to underline the names of animals, people, naming words. You have to underline the naming words or nouns in this exercise. Now At last exercise, you have to complete this exercise from these underlined words that you already have underlined. Okay, students, what you have to do, what's your home task? You have to learn and you have to complete these exercises. Exercise 1, exercise number 1, underlines. You have to learn these answer questions. You have to complete, you have to match the animal with their babies. You have to write this exercise and you have to complete these exercise. But keep it in mind, students, your task, your writing must be neat and clean. Inshallah, we will see our next class. This task is for 2 days. You have to complete, you have to learn this task within 2 days. Take care. Stay home, save life. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. Hope you are fine and safe and having good time with your family. I hope you have done your previous lesson. Now today we are going to start our next lecture. This is grade 1, subject English, lecture number 3, duration 2 days. You have to complete your task within 2 days. Okay, unit number 1, and I am your English teacher. I am here to say you welcome online lecture series grade 1, Oxford Broadway. Okay students, now we are going to start our lesson. We are going to read unit number 1, Free in the Forest. But before starting our lesson, raise your hand for dua and read dua after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. Okay students, in previous lesson we have read the story about an elephant, Jubi elephant. We have done reading, dictation words, exercise. Now this is the last exercise of unit 1, Free in the Forest. Hope you understand all the exercises. Okay, now open your book, page number 25. Yes, okay, look here. Look at the pictures and write sentences as in the examples. Look at these pictures: elephant, jar, box, house and fish. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write sentences as one has been done for you. Look here, what is this? Elephant. Elephant lives in the forest. Okay, look here. The elephant is in the forest. Where is elephant? Elephant is in the forest. Okay, now look here. What is this? You have to look this picture. Jar, and what is inside the jar, students? Yes, an ant is inside the jar. Okay, look here. You have to write here, the ant is in a jar. Okay, number 3. Here is a box. Have you seen? Yes. And what is the inside? The inside of the box? Pen. Okay. Now you have to write here, the pen is in the box. Number 4, what is this? House. And a man is standing. Where the man is standing? Outside the house or inside the house? I think he is standing inside the house. The man is in the house. Okay students, and next the last picture. What is this? Fish. Okay, where is fish? Outside the water or inside the water? Look here. Yes, the fish is in the water. Hope you understand the lesson and hope you will do this exercise. You have to write this, you have to learn this, but keep it in mind students, your writing must be neat and clean. Okay, now today we have completed unit 1 and we are going to start our grammar task. This is targeting grammar for level 1. This is your grammar book. Today we have to learn about singular and plural. We have to learn about the singular and the plural. What is singular? A singular noun names one thing. Singular students, singular mean one thing, single thing. A plural nouns names more than one thing. Plural mean more than one, two or more than two. Okay, look here students, this is one pencil, it's single, it means single. We can say singular. In grammatically, for one thing, for single thing, we use singular. And okay, and look here students, how many pencils are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 pencils and these are plural. In grammar, we use plural for 2 or more than 2 things. But for one thing, for single thing, we use singular. A singular noun names a thing. A plural noun names more than one thing. Like this, cup is a singular because 1. Cups, 2 cups, 3 cups or more cups. Pet, pets. Toy, toys. To make a noun plural, add s most of the time. But we are going to make plural. Whenever we make plural, we adding s at the end of the sentence, at the end of the word. Okay, write the plural forms of these nouns. What we are doing? We are adding s at the end of the word. For example, look here, dog. Whenever we convert it plural, but we write here D-O-G and we will add here s. Dogs. 1 dog, dogs. 2, 3, 4, many dogs. Spoon, spoons. Book, 1 book. But when we convert in plural, we write here B-O-O-K-S, books. We will add s at the end of the word. Cake, cakes. Apple, apples. Girl, girls. Okay, students, label the picture. Label the picture. This is your targeting grammar book, page number 7. Okay, look here, frogs, hats. You have to write here ducks and socks. I hope you understand. Add es. Okay, add es to nouns ending in sh, ch or x. Here are some hissing words. Some hissing words like sh, ch or x. These are the hissing words, and whenever we convert these singular into plural, we add es to make them plural. Understand, students? Okay, good. Make these nouns plural and draw the pictures. Now students, here you have to draw the pictures of these nouns. First we have to write here plural. We are going to make it plural. Yes. 2 books. We add es. 3 dishes, D-I-S-H. Then we add here es, dishes. 6 peaches. 2 brushes. Okay, now you have to write pictures. You have to draw here pictures. The next page, targeting killer book, page number 8. Yes, singular and plural nouns. Okay. Add s or es to complete the plural nouns. What you have to do? You have to add here s or es to complete these plural nouns. Yes, the first is cats have 2 eyes. E-Y-E. You have to write here s. Now it will become plural. And 4 legs. You have to write here s. Yes, and the next, the man has 2 B-O-X. What should we do here? Yes, we write here es. The man has 2 boxes of mess. He gave me 2 bunches of roses. Cars, bushes and trucks went down the street. Understand, students? I hope you are getting my point. Some plural nouns have a special form. Some plural nouns have a special form. Like this. 1 man, 2 men. Now man, the plural of man are M-E-N, man. 1 foot, 1 pound, 2 feet. Foot convert to be plural feet. These are the some special forms. Okay. Now match the nouns to its plural form. Man, man. Foot, feet. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Okay, students, here some singular and plural nouns are the same. 1 sheep, when it will convert in plural, the same. 2 sheep, we will not S-E-S. Fish, 1 fish, 2 fish. Deer, 1 deer, 2 deer. Okay, next, write the plural of the noun in the boxes. Look here, mouse, brush, packet, woman. Now what you have to do? You have to write here plural. The mouse, the mice are eating the wheat. Mice is the plural. Dad will clean his paint brushes. Ben has 2 packets of jelly beans. those women and the plural are women, are playing netball. Write a sentence about the farm's sheep. You have to write here sentence. Okay, next page number 9. Some nouns name things that can't be count. We can't count, so they can be singular or plural like this: 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys. Circle all the singular and plural nouns in this text. You have to circle, students. You have to circle all the singular and the plural. Okay, understand? I hope you are getting. Some nouns name things that can't be counted. Some nouns like rain, snow, we can't count. They are always singular. We can't because we can't count. Okay, now circle the foods that can't be counted. Look here. We can count cake, peach, bread, but we can't count tea, sugar, salad and soup. Okay, you have to circle these nouns. Okay, here is my shopping list. Are these items singular or plural? Now you have to take the singular things in singular column, and you have to take the plural things in plural column. Okay, students, hope you are getting and you understand. You have to complete page number 7, 8 and 9 of targeting grammar book, and you have to complete the last exercise of the unit number 1, free in the forest. Keep it in mind, students. This is your task. You have to complete within 2 days. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and enjoying good time with your family. Okay, I am here, your English teacher. I am here to say welcome. Online lecture, grade 1, Broadway English. Okay, look here. Grade 1, subject English, lecture number 3, duration 2 days, unit number 2, red car. Today we are going to start unit number 2, red car, and I hope you have mastered unit number 1. Okay, students, red car, R-E-D, red, C-A-R, car. Okay, but before starting our lesson, what you have to do? Yes, we have to recite dua. Recite dua after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. Okay, students, look here. Unit number 2, red car. Page number 27. Unit number 2, red car. Okay, red car. First, we have to learn about the hard words, about the dictation. This dictation words we already have given in your vacation task. Dear students, these dictation words are dodging words or hard words we have already given in your vacation task. What you have to do? You have to learn these words. Okay, now read first word. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Number 2, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. H-O-R-N, horn. Number 4, W-I-N, win. D-O-W, window. Number 5, P-L-A-Y, play. And number 6, S-H-O-P, shop. Number 7, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Number 8, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Number 9, package. P-A-C-K-E-G-E, package. And number 10 word is present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. Here the sound of S will be converted present. Okay, you have to learn these dodging words, dictation words. It will be help to read the lesson red car. Okay, now these are the words that we have already given in your vacation task. You have to learn, you have to master these words meaning. You have to write on your notebook. Okay, what are these words? Look here. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y, toy. Toy mean khilona. The second word is shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Shop mean dukan. Okay, third word is window. W-I-N, win. D-O-W, window. Window mean khidki. Okay, number 4 word is present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. Present mean gift, tofa. And the next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I, beauty, F-U-L, beautiful. Beautiful mean खूबसूरत. Okay, dear students, after dictation words, hard words and the vocabulary words, we are going to start reading. I hope you are getting my point. You have to master the dictation words, you have to master the vocabulary words. These vocabulary words increase your vocabulary. Okay, now we are going to start red car. Okay students, what you have to do first, you have to read here. Do this at home before you begin read the lesson. What you have to do, you have to make a little car. Okay, and here the process is written. You have to help your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, and you have to make a car. Make a little toy car. Take 2 cardboard boxes, a big one for the body of the car and a small one for the engine. Stick them together as shown. ये देखिए यहाँ जो आपको दिखाया गया है, you have to make like this. Okay, then you have to stick them. You have to color. All the process has written here. Okay, now we are going to start the reading. Yes, red car. Unit number 2, red car. Okay, now read the story. T-O-Y-O, Toyo. I-S is a red toy car. Toyo एक रेड खिलौना गाड़ी है. It has F-O-U-R-4. It has 4 S-H-I-N-Y, shiny. It has 4 shiny wheels. इसके 4 चमकते हुए टायर हैं. And a loud horn, और एक ऊंचा हॉर्न है. It has 2 big lights. इसकी 2 बड़ी लाइट्स हैं. Toyo is in a shop window. Where is Toyo? Toyo is in a shop window. Toyo एक दुकान की खिड़की में है. It has no one to play with. इसके साथ खेलने वाला कोई नहीं है. Hadi is a little boy. Hadi एक छोटा बच्चा है. He sees Toyo in the shop window. He sees. Who sees? Hadi sees. Hadi sees Toyo in the shop window. Hadi Toyo को एक दुकान की खिड़की में देखता है. Hadi देखता है at Toyo. Hadi looks at Toyo. Hadi Toyo को देखता है. Toyo looks at Hadi. Toyo Hadi को देखता है. Hadi thinks. Hadi सोचता है. What a beautiful car. क्या खूबसूरत गाड़ी है. कितनी खूबसूरत गाड़ी है. Hadi think. Toyo thinks. अब Toyo सोचता है. Toyo thinks. What a handsome boy. क्या खूबसूरत लड़का है. Toyo thinks. What a handsome boy. कितना खूबसूरत लड़का है. It is Hadi's birthday. आज हादी की बर्थडे है. His mother, उसकी अम्मी says, कहती हैं Happy birthday Hadi. His mother says Happy birthday Hadi. उसकी मदर, उसकी अम्मी क्या कहती हैं? उसकी अम्मी कहती हैं Happy birthday Hadi. She says, वो कहती हैं Here's your present. Here's, ये तुम्हारा गिफ्ट, तुम्हारा तोहफा. Hadi says, हादी कहता है Thank you mother. Thank you, शुक्रिया अम्मी. He opens, वो खोलता है the package, पैकेट को जो उसकी मदर को प्रेजेंट देती हैं. Toyo the shiny car. Toyo चमकती हुई गाड़ी. Jumps out of the package. Jumps out, छलांग लगा के पैकेट से बाहर आ जाती है. It says, ये कहती है Hello. हादी ये कहती है Hello. हादी let's be friend. चलो हम दोस्त बन जाते हैं. हादी क्या कहता है? हादी सेज वाओ. आ टॉकिंग कार. हादी सेज वाओ, बातें करने वाली गाड़ी, एक बोलने वाली गाड़ी. व्हाट फन, क्या मज़ा, वाह खूब मज़ा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you understand the reading, translation, these words and all dodging words, dictation words. What you have to do, you have to master all these dodging words, you have to master all the vocabulary words, and you have to read this at your home with the help of your parents. You have to complete this task within 2 days. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah we will meet in our next class.